Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick Venuti. I'm an exercise physiologist and the owner of the Healthy Yinzer. And today we are doing a 5-minute core routine. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to start with the double leg stretch. Make sure your lower back is imprinted into the mat or the ground, wherever you are. And you're going to inhale, extend through the fingertips and through the heels. Exhale, back to center. Everything we're doing is 12 reps. So inhale, exhale. And if you start to feel this exercise in your lower back, it's because you're bringing your legs down too far. You can modify it by just bringing your legs right here and still get the core effect. Play around with it. Inhale, exhale, exhale. 3, 2, 1, and bring those knees back to center. Drop your head. We're going to do the toe touch. So get your legs up to 90. You're going to go 1, 1, both. Keep that lower back imprinted into the ground. 2. This is a small exercise that is super effective for those lower abdominals right below the belly button. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. 6 more. 1, 2. And this is 1, 1, 2. That's 1 rep. 1, 1, 2. That's 1 rep. 2 more. 1, 2. Finish this last one. Touch, touch. Both legs touch. And bring those knees into your chest. Give yourself a little hug. And then you're going to stretch your legs long. And we're going to do alternating toe touch. So with your right arm, you're going to try to touch your left leg. So inhale, get length. Exhale, turn. And you can see I'm not going directly straight up. I want this little bit of rotation. Come back down. Inhale, exhale. We're doing 12 per side. Find that breath. Keep that lower back imprinted into the ground. 8. 2 more. And then we're going to go right into the other side. Inhale, get that length. Exhale, reach. And making sure you're bringing that leg and hand together on the exhale. The reason you want to do that is because that helps contract the core. And if we're doing ab work, we want the contraction. We want time under tension as much as possible. So 3, 2, 1 more. Whew. And then we're going to go back to that same stance, but this time alternating legs, 2 hands. I want you to reach for your ankle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feel that burn. That's what we want. Do the same thing to the other side. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Oh yeah. And we're going to finish it off with our Criss Cross. So we're not doing a bicycle crunch. I don't want to see elbow to knee. I just want to see rotation in your mid-thoracic spine, your mid-back. So inhale, we're doing 20, 10 each side. Inhale, exhale, rotate. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, rotate. See how I'm focusing more on this shoulder going back rather than the elbow to knee. Trust me, it will save you and you get a better core response. So let's start it over. Inhale, exhale. And slow and controlled is the movement here. There's no reason to do this. Please don't. Slow, controlled movement, time under tension, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and 1. Whew. And there you have it, a 5-minute core routine, sure to be effective. Let me know how you did in the comments, and if you like this video, like the video. And if you like me, subscribe to the channel to see more. And I'll see you on the next video.